Are you having trouble sending text messages? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix text messages not sending on Samsung. But before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So, the very first thing that you need to do is open up your phone settings. Now just scroll down to head over to your app settings or your app list, and then you are just going to search for messages. So as you can see, I have two messages app. The first one is from Google itself. So if you're using this as your default, then what you can do is clear its default like this, and then go back and use the Samsung's default messaging app. So go ahead and tap on this messages app and then tap on set as default and make sure that this app is set as default on your phone. Now just go ahead and open up this app. Now once you open up your messages app, go ahead and tap on the three lines to open up your settings. And then from here you have to head over to more settings. Just tap on it and then head over to text messages right on top. Now you will just have to Google your message center on and then set that number to your message center right here. And once you do that, your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.